All right, folks, we're actually we're doing an onboarding Zoom right now, and John and Mari are on here with us, and I'm working directly with Sandra. But we're going to show you from A to Z how to set up one MetaMask and a very simple way to bring Flare into MetaMask. So we're going to go to MetaMask.io. I'm going to put this on my whiteboard so all of you will see it. All right, MetaMask.io. Okay. All right, so this is MetaMask. Now, we're using MetaMask. It's easy to train on, it's easy to set up. And since we're building teams, we want something that's very simple and duplicatable. Okay. Um, you can use whatever browser. I'm using Brave browser for the purposes of this training, but you can use Google Chrome. That may even work better with Billion Dollar Mind if for those of you that have Windows-based PCs. All right, so I'm going to click where it says download, left click. I'm going to click where it says add to Brave. Yours may say add to Chrome, or if you're doing Firefox, add to Firefox. I'm going to left click there. I'm going to add the extension, left click. And you're going to see right up here where it is downloading. Good there. And MetaMask has been added to Brave. Okay, fantastic. MetaMask, by the way, has this fox as a little logo. Now, before we go forward, I want to come up here to this little puzzle piece. I'm going to left click here and I want to pin MetaMask so it's up here in this little toolbar. So we'll see this fox thingy popping up there. There we go. So whenever I come to this browser, I can go click straight on there and it'll prompt me to open up my MetaMask. Okay. All right. So I'm going to agree to the terms. Now, right now, during training, so I'm going to create a new wallet. If I was wanting to bring in an existing wallet, let's say um, I work from multiple computers. So if I want to bring up MetaMask on another computer or another browser or a different device, maybe a phone, all right, I would do import existing wallet. Right now, I'm just doing create. I'm gonna click on this little check mark here and click I agree. All right, password, very important. Okay. Um, you want to store your password offline. I suggest that you get a notebook, maybe even a couple, where you're keeping all things crypto related passwords, your 12 words if you're new. Most of these wallets are going to give you 12 words in order, in chronological order, that you would need to put those words in if you ever needed to access your wallet. Okay. Treat that as the combination to your safe. And I would suggest in time that you write all this down, have it in multiple places, and in time even have it outside of your home. Heaven forbid if there was ever something that happened to your home, maybe at a safety deposit box at a bank or what have you. All right, so I'm going to go on and put in a password here. You want that password to be something that is different than what you normally use online. You don't want a hacker hacking into your email, let's say, with that password, and then the hacker says, "Oh, let me try that with their wallets that I see." Give me a moment. There we go. All right, so we're going to click the I understand, and we're going to create a new wallet. All right, secure your wallet. Yes, we definitely want to do that. So we're going to left click here. It's going to reveal our secret recovery phrase. Left click there. Give me a moment. Give me a moment, folks. Okay, what I just did, don't ever do. All right. And be very, very careful. There are bad actors out there. They'll act as if they're support for something. They'll ask you for your 12 words. Don't give that to anyone. Don't give that to John. Don't give that to me. Don't give that to anyone. Okay. And what I'm about to do, I don't want you to do. I want you to write these 12 words down in a notebook. All right. And then ultimately rewrite it in another notebook and keep it for safekeeping, maybe outside of your home. Um, for training purposes, I'm just going to make a quick screen capture because in the setup, it's going to ask us for a few of these words. Okay, so I'm going to click next. All right, so it's asking us, what is word number 3? And word number 3 is small, so I'm going to enter that in. All right, so we just put in small. All right, now it's asking us for the fourth word. The fourth word is erase. Again, don't ever do this. I'm only doing this for quick training purposes. You would be writing this down offline. And then number 8 is render. Okay, so these are the 12 words to this account. Bad actors, bad actresses, I will never use this account. Okay, since I'm showing it on the screen. And so this is the combination to your safe, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, very important. Now I'm going to click on confirm. Click on got it. Click on next. Click on done. Voila, yay. Okay, so we have a MetaMask account. Now, I want you to notice something. Up at the top, it says Ethereum mainnet. What we're going to be using for Billion Dollar Mind is the Flare network. So if I click on this down arrow, you'll see that there's some other networks, and you can see where you can add, and it already has some popular networks already there. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to bring in the Flare network. All right, so what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is we're going to bring up another browser, not another browser, another page. We're going to go to chainlist.org. Okay, chainlist.org. Okay. Now, some of you maybe saw a video that I did some time back on manually adding Flare to your MetaMask. This is a simpler way. All right, chainlist.org. And now I'm simply going to type in when it says search networks, Flare. And then I'm going to click where it says connect wallet, left click. It's going to bring up the wallet that we just set up. Give me a moment. Let's get that out the way. And we simply want to click next. It's going to ask for permissions. We're going to click confirm. And it is now taking us to where we're going to approve this new network, Flare. Left click there. And we want to switch to network, which means we're going to go from the Ethereum mainnet that it started out on over to Flare. Left click. And ladies and gentlemen, we now have Flare added. If we go up here to the little fox thingy, there we go. Okay. So you've got your MetaMask wallet already on the Flare network. So that's how you set that up. Okay. Now we'll come back in some other videos and show you how to move Flare into your MetaMask. But you would be using this address right here. Okay, now again, this is just for training purposes. I wouldn't be showing this in front of the world other than training purposes of an account I'm not going to use. But I'm going to left click here. And so this would be the address that you would be sending your Flare to. It's right there in your MetaMask, right here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll come back with some more training. Let's transform the world together, starting with yours.